Hello, good evening, guys. I'll be assembling today an i3 10th Gen. I'm using an ASD main unit, so um, with an 8 gig memory. I'm using an SSD, and the pink color is gaming casing. Using the BIOS 30 motherboard, so mobile for this one. It cost around 28, something like that, 20,000 pesos. So I'm gonna start today building up this week. Wait, what? Right now I'm installing the PC using a Boston 700 Plus. So cheaper, cheaper gaming. You know, here. Okay, so naka-install na siya guys ng our PC with this one. This game. So let's proceed and install the board. So using the BIOS star notebook. Installing with an Intel i3 10th Gen. Hindi na ako sure. Before touching any part of the unit, so you have to be you have to touch first your hands to facing of the unit is powering on. Okay, guys, hirap ng English kasi tayo sa Tagalog. Install ako sa processor nito. Okay, ano, for that one, I'm gonna install this one sa casing natin. Okay, wait, installing the backplate. Ay, bagaray. So sa casing, may ibang screw na dinakit. So I'm gonna transfer some of the the screw inside. Okay, wait. Board. Okay, tapos na pa naglagay ng screw dito sa motherboard. Yes, this is, I'm gonna pull out this one. sure not to touch yung mga pins dito. Okay, not now. I'm gonna unbox the Intel i3. Install tayo sa processor. Okay, so far may ano naman, itong heatsink dito. Ayan. Here. So, careful not to touch the side of this one. Natin. Take the screw. Then processor one. Install guys. Okay, wait. I'm gonna install next yung mga wirings guys. Tapos lastly, we're gonna install the memory and the hard drive for this one. Okay, wait. I'm gonna pause this one. So installing right now all the pins, yung sa power switch, reset switch, yung sa USB and everything. So together with the power supply sa cable niya. Ito. Okay. So again, pause again.